That image you see, it's not motivation, it's a choice. Same person, two lives, separated by the businesses he chose. In this video, I'll show you 20 real businesses that can pull you out of poverty, starting now. First, service businesses. These are about helping people with daily needs. You solve problems right where you live. Low start, steady growth. The ideas here are water delivery and purification, mobile phone repair and accessories, garbage collection and recycling, plus security guards or CCTV setups. 1. Water delivery and purification. Homes crave clean water. You deliver or install filters. Start with a bike. Families subscribe. Roots grow. Repeat customers bring you steady pay and pull you up fast. 2. Mobile phone repair and accessories. Phones break daily. You fix them, sell covers, open a small spot. Skills come easy. One fix leads to many. Constant demand gives quick profits and room to expand. 3. Garbage collection and recycling. Trash piles up everywhere. You collect, sort, sell recyclables. A truck helps. Home fees add up. It turns waste into income that grows with your neighborhood. 4. Security guards or CCTV. Safety worries everyone. You provide guards or cameras. Train a few. Contracts follow. Trust builds recurring money and lifts you step by step. That's the service chapter. Now turn the page to skill-based businesses. Here, your skills shine. You connect others. No big tools needed. The options: event management and decoration, recruitment agency, property management, and travel visa help. 5. Event management and decoration. Weddings and parties need planning. You create themes and decor. One great event sparks more invites. Joy spreads, and your business grows with it. 6. Recruitment agency. Shops need workers. You match them perfectly. Charge a fee. Your network starts small. Successful placements bring security and steady rise. 7. Property management. Owners avoid hassles. You handle rent and fixes. Take a cut. One property leads to many. Trust turns into flowing income. 8. Travel and visa help. Travel dreams are big. You guide paperwork. Low start, quick fees. More trips mean more clients. And your own freedom. Next chapter, trade and distribution. Goods need to move. You buy smart, sell higher. Volume builds your wealth. The businesses are building materials, supply, wholesale groceries, medical supplies distribution, and electronics accessories wholesale. We shift to the online chapter, digital businesses. Reach wide from home. Phone or laptop opens it all. The ideas are lead generation, niche drop shipping with local delivery, WhatsApp selling, and online job portal or marketplace. Now the final chapter, long-term wealth builders. Set up systems that last. Work once, earn ongoing. The options are transportation like school vans, cold storage or ice, farm aggregation, and manufacturing support. And that's our story complete. 5 chapters full of paths. One might be yours. Feel the pull. Take that first step. You've got what it takes. If this journey inspired you, like and subscribe. Share your chapter choice below. Click the video on the end screen to keep building your path forward. See you in the next one.